1 Minute Inspirations, Henry Street Church of Christ. Don't be the weak link. Though one may be overpowered by another, two can withstand him, and a threefold cord is not quickly broken. Ecclesiastes chapter 4 verse 12. God wants all Christians to be unified, work together, and help each other. We are always more powerful together than apart. God has always wanted Christians to imitate the example of the unbreakable bonds shown by the first century church, and they continued steadfastly in the apostles' doctrine and fellowship, in the breaking of bread and in prayers. Acts chapter 2 verse 42. Here's the advantage of Christians creating true, lasting bonds of friendship with each other. They comfort each other when one is in need. They keep each other on the right spiritual path. They help each other when they are in need. They pray for each other, and they defend each other's innocence. Make the people of the church your best friends. If not, you are missing out on the chance of a lifetime. This is a ministry of the Henry Street Church of Christ, 309 Henry Street, Gadsden, Alabama, USA, 35901. www.henrystreetchurchofchrist.com. Please subscribe to our channel. God bless you.